Hey everyone! So today I thought we'll do something a little different for our Halloween look. So I have actually already done our photos today and we're going to be doing a little movie magic. So I'm going to show you guys what I do on my computer to Photoshop the picture to give myself a little bit of a different background so it looks cooler than just my wall. So let's get to this. Alright, so we have our Boozy Pirate. So now the first thing we need to do is to get rid of the background. So yeah, you can see my phone there because I actually use the phone to take to control my camera to take photos. So I need to get rid of all of that background and we'll be putting our Boozy Pirate in a new place. So let's do this. Alright, so now that we have our background gone, now we're going to be putting our Boozy Pirate on, actually, so this is a location that I took a photo of on vacation in Key West, and it's an old military fort that was turned into a botanical garden, so it was really cool, and so I took photos. But I think this might be the right setting we want for our Boozy Pirate. At first I was thinking like a little dark corner, but like I think he's gonna be much happier here on top of this wreckage. So So we have our Boozy Pirate. Super cool. So let me know, did you guys like this video? It's a little different than my last few ones, so let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you all have a great Halloween.